Hi everyone, welcome again to another episode of 4x4 Desert Safari. Today we will be talking about an item which I purchased to enhance the car response. It's a device that enhances the throttle response, so whenever you accelerate, what happens is the car response will be faster. I will talk in details about the product and what it does exactly, but again I would like to highlight a couple of things. There are a lot of products in the market. There are branded ones and non-branded ones. I chose a branded one, but Chinese, made in China, in Shenzhen, China. I had my doubts at the beginning, but when I was looking, surfing the web, I decided to venture and to buy it because it complies. There is a certification that proves that it complies with the EU regulations, and based on that, I think it covers the standard or the needed standards when it comes to automobile safety or car safety on the roads. We will be unboxing the unit together. We will go through it, and also we will go through the installation in the car, and also I will test it and also share with you the review. The main reason why I went for it, it's quite interesting to know, is because of the price versus others in the market. Branded ones, you find them in the States, in Europe, German made, etc., which is it varies between 200 to 400 plus US dollars. Regarding the device I chose, there are different models. I chose for the FJ Cruiser, which I own, the year it was manufactured, and I found different designs and models. There are complicated ones in a sense that they have different options, or they have more options than the one I chose. I chose a basic one. It has two modes and a normal mode, and this is based on my requirements. Maybe some other people, they would love to have more options. Again, every device with their options have different prices. Let's see what is the device. Okay, let's talk about the device and let's unbox it. The device is called Eittar, as you can see, made in Shenzhen, China. So let's open it and find out what's in it. So when I open the box, I can see the device. This is the device. What's in the box? We have the cable and user manual. Now, as you notice, if we look at the cable, this is the electronic controller of the cable, and these are two plugs. So what happens is over the pedal you have the original cable and plug that comes from the engine to the pedal. Okay, so this one is going to go in between. So you will have the pedal here, and you will have the cable that comes from the ECU, the engine. So what happens is this electronic device, based on the settings that I choose on this device, okay, this is the cable that connects through this part here. Okay, what happens is this electronic device will, increase the response of the throttle. Now, this one is for FJ Cruiser. On the web you will find for different car manufacturers, but again, what I want to say is a couple of things. What you need to know is this device will not save fuel for you, will not increase the horsepower of the car. What it does in reality is the response of the throttle, instead of lagging, it will be more responsive. That's what it does. It doesn't do anything else to the car. So it's just to enhance the throttle response whenever you step on it. Okay, so I hope this explains at this stage what it does. Regarding the manual. It's a very simple manual. One side is in English, tells you step by step what to do, okay, and the different modes. And from the other side, it covers in Chinese. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna head down to the car, which is parked in the garage. Okay, try to fit this device and see how it works. I'm gonna put back everything, okay, the way it came, and let's go. Going to the car park. Okay. So, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna set up the camera and then I'll show you step by step how we install it. So this is the pedal, this is the brake, and now I'm gonna get closer to it and show you. This is the cable that comes from the engine, controlled by the ECU. So what we're gonna do is first disconnect this one, remove it, and put the two connectors, which I showed you earlier, the cable, in between, and then pass the cable to the device. All right, so now it's the action time. I'm gonna grab the cable. There is a clip. I'm gonna press. Here we go. As you can see, this is the one that comes. So I'm gonna, these are the two ones. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clip this one. Here we go. We heard the click. And this one, I'm gonna put it on top. Let's hear the click. Here we go. It clicked properly. Okay. Now what I need to do, this cable, I'm gonna undo it. Okay, and I'm gonna pass the cable through here all the way up where I can plug it to the device. So now we come to the part where I'm gonna remove the sticky part. There we go. And then stick it properly. There we go. It's not disturbing. Now we close the cover. And now we're gonna test it. Okay, now we come to the ultimate test. Everything is connected. Everything is double checked. Now we're gonna test. Put the keys inside. All right. what we notice, this is the settings. S2, which is racing mode. This is normal mode. Okay, so everything is normal in the car, as per normal. This is S1, which is sports mode. And as you can see here, S1.1. So if I press on this, you can see I can change the intensity. It can go up to 9. Alright, then I have the other mode, which is S2. This is 1, 2, can go all the way up to 9. Alright, and if I don't want this race mode, I can press it again, it goes back to normal. Also, I will share in this video a couple of pictures about exactly what happens at different modes. So let's go and try it. Now we come to the ultimate test. Okay, I'm gonna try the car. This is normal mode. Forgot to put the seatbelt. So this is normal mode. This is stock, genuine, what the car is. Now we're gonna test it on S1 mode, okay, and on number 9. Okay, so get ready. S1 number 9. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god. Wow. What a difference. My god. Wow. You just touch the pedal and the car. Wow. Nice. Now let's see on the S2. Wow, it jumps. Let me see. So now S2, this is, they say 85% the performance changes. Wow, guys, you won't believe it. The wheels are spinning. The wheels are spinning. I'm not kidding. Wow, what a feeling. One more time, one more time. Wow, I'm so excited. Ooh. Wow. Gosh, that's a thrill. It is recommended, guys. Oh my god. It jumps totally. Wow. Gosh. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. I highly recommend it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to test it for a couple of days. I was just now having a run in the car park. So I'm going to test it for a couple of days and come back to you with the final review of this product. And if tomorrow I manage, I will zip to the desert and I will check how the car performs and I will give you the final review. So far, yes, I nailed it. Thank you.